Bajaj Finserv Large Cap Fund. Will investing in this NFO help in your wealth accumulation process in the long term or not? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decisions to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So before analyzing whether investing in the Bajaj Finserv Large Cap Fund will be a suitable option for your investment portfolio or not, let us first understand what is a large cap fund is. So as a large cap fund, it invests 80% of its stocks in large cap stocks among the top 100 companies computed using the market capitalization method with a few conviction like mid cap up to a maximum of 20%. It is suitable for a long term investment horizon like investment horizon of 5 to 7 years at least to potentially reap better gains. So potentially there is an option to create wealth in the long run. So as an investment objective, they aim to generate long-term capital appreciation by capitalizing on the potential investment opportunities by predominantly investing in equities of large cap companies. So as an NFO, Bajaj Finserv Large Cap Fund opens on 29 July 2024 and is open until 12 July 2024. And it is an open-ended fund type. It has Nifty 100 TRI as its benchmark, and the minimum amount you need to start investing in this NFO is just 500 rupees. And also there is no entry load present in this NFO, while there is an exit load. If you redeem it within 6 months, there is exit load of 1%. The fund managers for this NFO are Mr. Nimesh Chandan, Mr. Sob Gupta and Mr. Siddha Chowdhury. So these are some of the key features of this NFO. As I have previously mentioned, the investment objective is provide you, the investor, with opportunities for long-term growth in capital appreciation from a diversified portfolio of equity and equity linked securities of a large cap segment. So how they aim to achieve that? What is the investment strategy they choose to implement to achieve that kind of investment objective? It is by investing a minimum of 80% of their portfolio in large cap stock and maximum of 20% in stocks from the Nifty 500 universe to dynamically generate alpha. They also identify sectors and securities at their inflection point. So they execute sector rotations and yearly identification of the potential outperformers in the market in order to create a dynamic portfolio. So this is the investment strategy they choose to implement to achieve their investment objective. Now how we are going to analyze whether this will be a suitable option for an investment portfolio and create wealth for us in the long run is by analyzing the potential merits and demerits present under this Bajaj Finserv Large Cap Fund NFO. So first of all, let's take a look at the potential merits. So the merits are there is low volatility and there is downside protection that is available under a large cap fund like NFO like this, and it can even align with your long-term goals as it has a time investment horizon of 5 to 7 years, and they predominantly invest in business with rapidly scalable business models which enables you with constant growth, and there are highly liquid securities which enables your investments at low impact cost, and there is a high capital efficiency and economics to scale in this large cap fund. So these are some of the potential merits. So now let's take a look at the potential demerits. Demerits also equally important to understand because they reveal the potential risk you might be undertaking by investing in this NFO. The demerits are this might not be suitable for an aggressive investor. So if you want to take a lot of risk and if you are willing to take a lot of risk, this NFO large cap fund is relatively a little bit more stable compared to other volatile fund options. So this might not be suitable for you if you are looking to take a lot more of risk as an aggressive investor. And also the fund management style for this fund is unknown, which because it has no track record. As it is an NFO, we still yet to see how it will perform in the market in the highs and lows over a period of time. As it has a time investment horizon of 5 to 7 years, it is also not suitable for a short-term investor. So if you are a short-term investor looking to achieve your short-term financial goals, then this might not be a suitable fund because in large cap fund it's better if you invest for a long-term time horizon. Also, as a large cap fund, this fund might underperform mid cap and small cap funds during the bull market. So usually in the bull market, the market is at the rise, but as a large cap fund, it has the potential to underperform compared to mid cap and small cap funds. So as an NFO, you cannot also analyze the performance and take calculated risk like you can take in other fund options where it has has a proper track record, right? But here it does not have a proper track record for you to analyze its performance over a long period of time to take a calculated risk. So here if you're investor, it's because you're taking a blind risk, because you have no clear idea about the stocks to be selected, because it's risky since we cannot analyze the stocks inside this portfolio. So it's better, it's very unsuitable for a short term investor, and it has these kinds of demerits which you also need to properly consider before choosing to invest in a NFO like this. So what is the final takeaway? Should we invest in the Bajaj Finserv large cap fund NFO or not? It completely depends on the kind of investor you are, whether you want to take this kind of risk by investing in NFO where you no proper track record and the portfolio and research investment is risky. But if our personal opinion is, it's better if you choose other existing mutual funds that have track records for a minimum of 7 to 10 years. Because if you look at it from the market point of view, in a 7 to 10 years the market cycle would have also gotten completed, and you will get a little bit more stable view of how it has performed at the highs and lows to take a calculated risk. But here in the short term period, or if it's just we are going to see how it's going to perform, right? So in this period market is highly unpredictable, so we do not know how it's going to perform also. So it's better if you do not invest in an NFO like this and rather choose an existing mutual fund with a proper track record of 7 to 10 years. Because without the proper portfolio and research, the investment you're doing here is blind investment with a blind risk you're taking. So the investment is really risky. So but if you still want to invest, you still want to see how Bajaj Finserv large cap fund NFO is going to perform just for experimental basis, just to see how it will perform, then if you have excess money like surplus money, you can invest it through your satellite portfolio with a minimum investment just for a trial basis. But do not invest it through your main investment portfolio, core investment portfolio, where you're investing to achieve your main financial goals, because it can impact the returns in there, right? So it's better if you invest it with your surplus money through your satellite portfolio for an experimental basis. And if you're still having doubts whether investing in this will be a right fit for you, or what kind of investment will be a right fit for you, then you can definitely consult with a certified financial planner who will be able to guide you through the entire process and personalize a financial plan and craft investment strategies and suggest you with better fund options to suit your investment portfolio and make the entire process of investing hassle free and smooth for you. So you can definitely consider investing through this route also.
And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.